Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Direct and indirect speech. This chapter is very important. This is the hard piece of English. If you know it well, you can do lots of things with yourself. You can frame the questions. Okay, you can write the paragraph, essay, many things you can handle very easily in English language with the use of direct and indirect speech. In this direct and indirect speech, there is the use of pronoun, all the tenses, okay, and many different things that you are going to use. One by one, I will explain you, but first see the example. Here, Anil said to Preeti, "You are very clever girl in the class." Okay, this is the direct speech that Anil said to Preeti, and what he has said that is written in inverted comma, the same thing what he has spoken. Okay, now here, who is speaker? The speaker is Anil. Said to is reported verb. Preeti is listener, and you are very clever girl in the class is reported speech, means sentence, which is spoken. Okay, now when it is converted, we are putting the speaker as it is. Said to is transfer into told. That rules I will explain you. Preeti. Then we have to add the conjunction that in the simple sentence. Then we have to turn the pronoun according to the speaker and listener. First person we are changing according to the speaker, and second person according to listener. So listener, Preeti is here. Then we are writing, she was very clever girl in the class. Okay, now this is indirect speech. This is called indirect speech. Means what is direct speech and indirect speech? That I will clear you first. Direct speech means what person had spoken, that same words you are using in the inverted comma. Then that sentence is repeated by another one. Okay, again, Anil told Preeti. Now I am talking to you. Anil told Preeti, okay, that she was very clever girl in the class. So this is the way, dear students, you will have to make the transformation from direct to indirect speech. But how will you do? That is the problem. So I will give you very simple steps. There are different type of sentences: simple sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, optative sentences. Okay, dear students. But here I will explain you today only simple sentences. Okay. So how would you do the changes in the simple sentences? There are some rules and regulations that I will note down over here. I will share you in the WhatsApp group also. Okay. The rule number 1, the speaker we have to keep as it is. However, speaker is kept as it is. As it is. Speaker. Do not change in the speaker. Okay. Now say to. Okay. Means there is. We have some speciality. Sometimes say to. We will convert it into the to. Okay. And if it is said only there, then we will put the said, because sometimes listener is not given, so we can put said as, said also. In present tense also, we can sometimes in present tense, there is a say to, then we can do the tell. Says to, you can write the tags. Okay. Suppose sometime, somewhere you can see the sentence is in future tense. Will say. To write, will say. But this is the things for your knowledge only. Not most probably not in use. You will have to use say to convert into the told as per the past tense said is given. Okay, dear students. Second situation I will show you. Now second, listener. Okay, listener also as it is. Listener also as it is. Okay. Now you will have to put the conjunction that in between. This is the changes of the previous part of the direct and indirect sentence. Okay. Now dear students, changes in speech. The sentence is in inverted comma. Okay, how will you change that sentence? This is very important. That according to the speaker, you will have to change the pronoun. There are certain changes in pronoun. Okay, so very first I will give you the idea about in the simple sentences. Changes in pronoun. Okay, according to the situations, you will have to change the pronouns. The changes in pronoun. Changes in pronoun. Okay, so I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, dear students. So here you will have to put I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, you, he, his, him, she, her, her, it, its, it, they, that, that. So first person, this is first person. Okay, this is second person and this is third person. Okay, so first person, the pronoun of first person is to be changed according to the speaker, and second person according to the listener. Okay, and third person as it is no change. So if there is if pronoun is given in first person, so you will have to change according to the speaker. Suppose the given sentence is I am a clever boy. Okay, so I is first person. So there is spoken person is Anil. Okay, so what will you put in place of I? You will have to put he. Okay, but here in our example sentence you see that Preeti was there. Okay, so you are a clever girl. So you. Okay, so according to the listener, so who was the listener there? Preeti. So we put there she. So she was very clever girl. So this is the way, dear students, you will have to change in the pronouns. Now, dear students, changes in the tenses. how will you do the changes in the tenses? Okay. In tenses, I will give you a simple table. So most of the tenses are changed automatically, but here some like simple present tense, simple present tense. This is turned into the simple past. If sentence is with the verb or works, so it is turned into the verb. Okay, but simple past is given. Simple past. Suppose act is given, so it turns into the past perfect. Eaten. Had eaten. Had eaten. So this is the way, dear students, you will have to change the simple present tense into the simple past tense. I will give you the printed material by WhatsApp about all these things. So don't worry, all these things will be available in your WhatsApp group. The rules and regulations whole chart I will share with you. Okay, dear students. So now the words, some words are changed. Okay, some words are changed automatically into the direct to indirect. Direct, indirect. Is, am, are, was, were. In present continuous tense we are using he is playing, so he was playing. Okay, are, were. So this way you can make the changes in the words. So automatically tenses are changed. Okay, if was, were is given, you will have to put had been. Have and has is given, you will put had. Do, does is given, you will have to put did. Okay. If did not is given, you will have to put had not plus V3. Okay. Did not eat, suppose. So what will you put? Had not eaten. Dear students, if there is a shall or will, you will have to put only would. And other auxiliaries can, could, may, might, shall, should. Okay. And some must and had to, have to. Dear students, as per the model auxiliaries, shall, that must or to, so they are put as it is. Should, might, if it is in the past form, they are put as it is. No change was there. Okay. Then after some timing words are there. Suppose in direct speech we are using this. In direct speech we turn into the that. These, those. Okay. Today, that day. Yesterday, previous day. Tomorrow, the next day or day after. Okay, this is the way. I will share you the material which is I have prepared myself. It is not you can see that all the tables I have prepared for you. So this table will come to you, so you understand what type of words are changed into the indirect speech when you are understand. So dear students, you have to make changes in the simple sentence. How? Speaker as it is, listener as it is, say to turn into the told. You are putting that in between to join Then pronoun as per the first person and second person, speaker and listener. Then you will have to change tenses accordingly, and you will have to follow the table what I have described you in the material, so that you can make the sentence very easily. See here one of the example. He said to me, I do not think about festivals. So he, speaker as it is, told, say to turn into the told, me, conjunction that, inverted comma remove when you put the conjunction. And he did not think about festival. When did you use the did, you will have to put the thing as it is. I said to her, I am ready to teach you and your sister if you need my help in this subject. So why I take this long sentence? Because of I want to make you understand about the pronoun. Okay, dear students, I say to her, so I told her. Some students are doing mistake, putting told to. So you don't put told, you don't remove it. You will put told in place of said to. Okay, I told her that conjunction. Then here I is first person. First person is also I, so you will put the same word I. I am turning to the walls, ready to teach you. You is changed according to the listener. Listener is girl, that is her. So you will have to put the her here and her sister. If you, if is the close, another sentence is started from here. So you will have to put the you according to the listener subject pronoun. So see, need turn into the needed my help. My is come according to the first person, help in that, this turn into the that subject. Very simple. I will provide you the material. You will following that, you can understand very well. The same thing you will have to learn and implement in the interrogative sentence also, that I will teach you in the next video. Before teaching the interrogative sentence, I will also give some example of the simple sentence. Then we will start the interrogative sentence. This way we will study all different type of sentence, and all together indirect speech will be continued. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.